Jim from Clear Lake has a question about an AC drain.
Well, he says it used to drain into a utility sink drain, which isn't that the way it's supposed to be done?
Or a bathroom P-trap.
Okay.
It has to go into a P-trap in the house.
A drain somewhere is the bottom line.
Yeah, above the P-trap.
Well, Jim writes, I removed the sink that this used to drain in and just put a cap on the pipe above where the AC line he sent a diagram. You can see right here what he's talking about.
Yeah, no, it's very clear.
Okay, so 6 months, he says, after capping that sink drain, my AC drain is backing up. And I'm wondering if it may be because the removal of that sink. I mean, does it need air going up for the drain to go down?
Well, it definitely needs air, and it already has it. It has a vent in the wall somewhere. It's not in this diagram, but I'll guarantee you it has a vent going through the roof or tying into another vent that's going through the roof. As far as, and I want him to think about this because I know he's blaming himself for his work. His work was done perfect. You need to cap it. You're above the P-trap. You have a vent going up. Here's the classic sign. Is it 6 months later that it starts to back up? Well, it's because the air conditioner has been working for 6 months, and it's probably clogged with all that schmutz that gets in an air conditioning drain line. And so you have to go up to the air conditioner, get some bleach, pour it down there, clear the air conditioning drain line, because people have this problem all the time, especially if they watch the show or listen to the show, I should say, or watch us here.
Hello. Yeah,
that's true.
We go to all the trouble to wear these. We go to all the trouble to wear these matching shirts. People are watching.
Yes, I don't have my gloves and my mask.
That's it.
Okay. Anyway, in August, I'll start getting this call a lot because it's the end of the summer and those drain lines just get clogged. So your work was right. It was proven to be right because you got 6 months out of it until the stuff gets clogged up in the drain line. It just needs a good flush. And this is the perfect time to do it because it's springtime. Air conditioning checkup time. It
is one of the things that when I started working with you, you taught me to do, and I did that. I've been up in the attic. You just take a little. I think I put like 3 glugs in. Glug glug glug, and I was done.
Yeah. It doesn't take much with bleach. It's pretty powerful.
That's a Home Show Radio patented measurement, by the way. If you hear other people using the glug measurement, they stole it from us.
Hey, they do that when I watch Bar Rescue when they pour the booze. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh well, so I guess we're like Bob Hope. If you steal from us, you've stolen twice. There it is. All right, you got a question? We'd be happy to help you out. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and fill out that Ask Tom form. Fill it in, send it in, and we'll answer a video just like this with a video just like this. It will post at HomeShowRadio.com, our YouTube channel, or our Facebook page. If you have not followed our Facebook page, you're missing a lot.